Hi, I'm Gavin. So I haven't done one of these in a while, and I thought there's a few film stocks I've missed, and some of them are quite important actually. When I just did, I think the last video was Portra, but there's one other film out there that's like a really interesting film to look at, and that's Ektar 100. Now, there was, I think in the 90s, another version of Ektar, but it wasn't fantastic, so they discontinued it. And then Kodak brought out in 2008, they brought out the Ektar that you can buy today, Ektar 100. I think it was something to do with, because they dropped slide film, there was a slot in the market for a very high saturation, low grain performance film. So they brought out Ektar. It was really only available in 35mm. I mean, buy it today. It's quite expensive as usual, but it's interesting film. So we'll go through the usual routine. We'll go through some photos. We'll have a look, and then at the end, I'll come back and sort of finish off. Okay, so let's go through these pictures. The first one is a field of corn. You can see very high detail, very, very fine grain, fantastic colours. I think this was shot early in the morning. I took this, but it's got great detail in the photograph. You can see everything in it. I mean, this is a low resolution scan I've got going on, but it's very, very fine. Okay, next one. Oh, seagull sat on a post office thing. Again, very, very sharp, crisp image. Quite a muted day, I think, overcast there. But yeah, you know, everything, there's no blur in there or anything at all. Do you know what I mean? It's like really, really, really like sharp film. Again, another one. Okay, this was done at sort of magic hour. I was shooting through like a gap in the hedge, and you can see the oranges at the top there. A beautiful tone to it, greens, everything like that. It's just a really nice feel to the film. Okay, so I shot this on holiday. This is down somewhere like Polseth in Devon. You can start to see the sort of problem I'll keep mentioning about Ektar is the red. It does blues amazingly and oranges, but when it gets to red, it starts to go a bit nuts. So if you've got red light or anything with a high amount of red, you start to get a big red shift. Now this is shot at 80, I think I shot this roll at. But obviously sunset down there, you're going to get a lot of red in the light. You see the red of the traffic, the no-go sign, whatever it's called, no entry sign. It's sort of over red. Anyway, so here we go. Now there's no red in this picture at all, and it looks very natural, doesn't it? It's a lot of blues, a lot of normal natural colours, and there's nothing weird at all. Just some people on kayaks going through some water. Anything else then? No. Okay, here you go. Here we go. I shot that roll, one of the rolls, on a Pentax MZS Ektar 100 box speed on a 28 and a 43. And here you can see in the box, you see the blue in the background, great. The rose is fine. You see the red ball literally jumps out the image at you, as I mentioned, with this sort of red thing that's going on. Okay, another one. Down the beach, beautiful colours, very natural representation of what that looked like. So yeah, really nice and really detailed. Now this is early morning surfing, and it's really overcast, a bit foggy, but it really is a nice sort of pastel look to it. I mean, there was very limited colour in the, there's very limited colour here, but what there is, it's got the green of the sea, all that sort of business, a wave coming in on the brown sand. And there we go, and I shot some mussels that were limited on something. Very high detail, slightly, this picture is slightly low contrast. I don't know why that is. The greens are very green. Okay, and here we go. This is what Ektar excels at. This is me pointing up at the sky, at the clouds. With the blues, the oranges, it's nuts. It just grabs colour like this, the reds, everything. That's just some clouds and the light bouncing off of it. Here there's a hospital there, and you can see the left-hand side, the sun's going down, blown out there a little bit. It's underexposed at the front, but I mean, I don't care. And there you go, you've got nice orangey corners, colours coming in. What have we got? Again, same night, and you can see the edge of that cloud front. Their colours are crazy, aren't they? They just look crazy. That's one of Ektar's main things. It really can. You've got something colourful going on, like this, that has the right colour combination, and it really does excel. And then this one, just a bit of graffiti, very little red, but you can see the red pings out over there. Tiny little bit of red over in the corner there, those drops. But yeah, sharp, clear, crisp, very, very colourful film. Okay, so that's Ektar 100. Yeah, it's an amazing film. It's expensive. But it is a really beautiful film. I mean, as you can see from those photos, you know, it can really, really capture colour. And it's a great film to use. But I don't know there is anything quite as unique as it on the market, to tell you the truth. Anything that's highly saturated. It is, you can trigger to handle. I shoot it normally a box, and I tried 80. I mean, it does have some weird problems, as I've mentioned, with skin tones and stuff like that. And I think I've seen some photography where they're getting rid of. I think it's all to do with the light you shoot it in. Very, very dependent upon the type of light that you've got the film under. But yeah, so I mean, if you get a chance, I always take a roll of it on holiday, or whenever I go away, because it captures very, very vivid colours. It depends where you go, and it catches amazing blues, as you saw, and sort of reds and oranges and things like that. So it's a great film. But yeah, it's expensive, but as with all film, rather wonderful. Anyway, hope that helps somebody. Thanks for watching.